Oh shit! WhatsApp ban is really getting serious. I got this from WhatsApp. This account is not allowed to use WhatsApp. Chat are still on this device. I was so shocked when I had this message because one, I was using the official WhatsApp app. Two, the WhatsApp number was new to WhatsApp. So why do WhatsApp have to ban me, or why do WhatsApp have to suspend my account? Follow me. Right in this video, I'm going to show you how you can humbly appeal for WhatsApp to remove any ban from your account. I still remain Scamper. Please don't forget to follow or subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos. Let's get into my phone screen. All right, so here you are going to see this. This account is not allowed to use WhatsApp. Chats are still on this device. One, we are going to do this. Request a review. Okay, so WhatsApp support will review your account and device info to check for activities or activity that goes against our terms of service. Remember, one, you have to use the official WhatsApp app. Secondly, you have to make sure that whatever you did wasn't something bad. All right, so let's do this. I always have one message that I do send to WhatsApp, and trust me, they always remove the ban from my account. So right here, I'm going to use that same message so that you can also edit and use it. All right, so let's get into it. I have the message in my clipboard, so let me just send the message and come down here. Hello, WhatsApp. I am writing to you with respect to my banned account. I'm not sure I have violated any of your policy because all the groups I'm sharing information to my educational group where I educate individuals. Kindly unban me so I can continue my lesson. So this is the kind of message I've always been sending to WhatsApp. You know, I normally run online classes and I normally share messages in a lot of groups. But here in this case, I didn't use the WhatsApp number. But trust me, they got my account banned. So this is the same message I'm going to send to them, and trust me, they are going to remove the ban from my account. So let's click on submit. All right, so immediately you click on submit, you are going to see this. Your request has been submitted. Review typically takes 24 hours. We will notify you in WhatsApp. Chat are still on this device. All right, so your chats are saved and you are going to get a notification from them. The notification you are going to get will determine whether your account will still be active or permanently banned. You got this because you follow Scamper. Please don't forget to share, like, follow or subscribe for more exciting content like this. I'm out.